Welcome to the second part of our video, Jollof and Fried Chicken. If you haven't seen the first part, please click on the link above or in the description below to watch. However, if you just want to enjoy some fried chicken, then follow along. For the ingredients, we have our marinated chicken, 2 eggs, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon each of black pepper, table salt and curry, about 500 ml or 2 cups of cooking oil for frying. Start by adding a pinch of salt and black pepper to the eggs. Add all the remaining spices to the flour and mix well. Pour in a plate and set aside. Now, whisk the eggs. Coat the chicken with the flour. Then roll it in the egg mixture. Then 1 more coat of the flour. Then set aside. Repeat for the rest. Now we heat our pot of oil. We are using a pot instead of a frying pan here because we want to deep fry the chicken. A frying pan will be too shallow for this. To check if the heating oil is ready for frying, we drop in a crushed clove of garlic. When it starts to fry, then the oil is hot enough. Gently lower each drumstick into the oil to fry. When the edges start to brown, then it's time to flip the chicken for the other side to cook. Intermittently flip the chicken to make sure all sides get cooked evenly. When the chicken turns golden brown, then it's cooked. Place the fried chicken in a colander to drain off excess oil. That's it. Repeat for the others. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment and share to support us. Thank you.